Hi people, got a brand new package today from Hong Kong. Came this morning. So let's see. Yeah, as expected. It's a good packing too, yeah. It's a Thai Boeing 777-300ER. I flew this one from Bangkok 10 days ago. Really nice plane. A bit cold inside though. It was really good plane. What do they call that? The workhorse. So now, the fuselage, the wheels, even detailed wheels. Okay. So 777 first came about in 1995. Been a good success ever since. Stand. I don't need that because I'm going to put it on my airport. So let's see now. HS TKT. Yeah, I flew that one from Thailand. Oh, what is this? What is this? It's gonna something I need to wash away. Yeah, I'll fix it with some detergent or something. There we go, the fuselage. Pretty neat. Yeah, so much of it, yeah. Oh, it goes easy off, easy off. Yeah. So let's see now. 365 passengers, something like that. They started to run out low on this one now, so I had to hurry to fix it. So far so good. Yeah, this is a beauty. There we go. 777, really nice plane. And then the cherry on top. Now this, and I will mount the wheels later. My God, look at this. Huh? This is a beautiful plane, my God. Yeah. Really, really nice. 777-300 ER. Yeah. Engine spin. So let's see now. Let's have a closer look on this one. There's some markings over, but I will fix this one. It's all smudged up somehow, but I'll fix it. Yeah. Really nice people. Nice playing people. Tail exceptional. Kind of metallic purple. I was thinking about hair, something. Hair, I guess. Something like that. Yeah. Okay, people. Thank you for watching. Bye now.